Dear students, NCERT Mathematics Chapter 15 Probability in MCQ series. In this video, 10 MCQs with the 4 options ABCD are there. You have to select correct one and written on the plain paper and verify your answer at the end of this video. Now let's start with the MCQ number 1. Here is the number 1. If we throw 2 coins in the air, then the probability of getting both tail will be. So your option is 1/2, 1/4, 2 or 4. So this is your probability sum. Identify the correct answers and write down in your paper. Now next problem or next MCQ questions 2. The probability of event equal to 0 is called. Definition point of view is unsure event, sure event, impossible event or independent event. So choose the correct one and write down in your paper. Now for the next questions, the probability that cannot exist among the following. So identify कीजिए which one is the 2/3, -1.5, 15% or 0.7. So choose the correct one and write down in the paper against the question 3. Now move to the next questions. Question 4. If PE is equal to 0.07, then what is the probability of the not E? 0.93, 0.95, 0.89, 0.90. So correct the answers. Choose A, B, C or D and write down against the 4. Now next question number 5. A bag has 3 red balls and 5 green balls. If we take a ball from the bag, then what is the probability of getting the red ball? So here is the options 3, 8, 3 by 8 or 8 by 3. So choose the correct one answers and write down in your paper against the question 5. The next question is question 6. A fish tank has a 5 male fish and 8 female fish. The probability of fish taken out is a male fish, same as the previous one. Choose the correct one. 5 by 8, 5 by 13, 13 by 5, 5. So next question 7. A car is drawn from the set of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a queen card. So here is option 1 by 26, 1 by 13, 4 by 53, 4 by 13. So choose the correct answers for the given up particular problems and write down A, B, C or D against the question 7. The next questions move to question 8. If 2 dice are thrown in the air, the probability of getting sum as 3 will be. Sum as 3 will be. So listen carefully and identify the answer. 2 by 18, 3 by 18, 1 by 18 or 1 by 36. So choose the correct one for the particular probability sum. Next 9 is a die is thrown in the air. The probability of getting the odd numbers is 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 or 4. So same as the dice in previous one, you choose the odd number and correct option A, B, C or D. And the last questions 10. A bag is a 5 white marble, 8 red marble and 4 purple marble. If we take a marble randomly, then what is the probability of not getting purple marble? Here your option 0.5, 0.66, 0.08 and 0.77. Calculate and find out the correct answer A, B, C or D. So this is 10 probability questions MCQ based. You write down the 10 correct answers. Now it verify with the last slides. Here is the answer. A to B, 2 to C, 3 to B, like that 10 to D. So thank you very much.